Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and taking care of yourself. So are you all excited to know what are we learning in this video? Yeah, today's video is all about animals. We will learn about different animals in this video. You all must be knowing all the animals' name, right? But few animals we found them around us and few they live in the forest. And there are few animals which have wings. They are called as birds. Birds can fly. And few animals they live in the water. And few animals are helpful to us. And we keep them near our homes, constructing separate home for them. And few they are dear to us. We love them and we keep them as a pet with us. So these are all different type of animals which we have with us. So in this video we will learn about all the animals what we have, and I have a small model prepared for you all. So are you will have an idea to see and understand what animals we have and where they live. So you're excited to see the model? Yes, so these are the animals. You all can see here, kids. This is a small model of the forest. As you all can see, the different animals here. There's a tiger, there's elephant, the zebra, lion. So these animals they live in the forest. So animals which live in the forest are called as wild animals. We know them, but we cannot find them around us like how we find the other animals. So these animals which live in the forest are called as wild animals. And then moving on, you all can see there's a small model of a pond. You all can see there is a small frog sitting on a leaf. There are two fishes and there is a duck here in the pond. So these fishes they live in the water and they called as water animals. Apart from this, there are also few water animals, as you all can see on the chart. So there's a dolphin, there's a shark here, blue whale. There are few more others here. So these are all different types of sea animals or water animals we will have. And then moving on, you all can see there's a model of a tree here. There's a tree here and few birds here sitting on the tree. So birds are the animal which have wings. Birds can fly. There's a parrot you all can see. There's a pigeon you all can see here. And apart from that, there are few more birds. You all can see in the chart here. Yeah, it's a kingfisher. There's a crane, penguin, eagle, flamingo, ostrich, peacock, robin. So these are also animals which are called as birds. They all have wings. And then moving on, we have a small model of the domestic animal here. Domestic animals are those which are useful to us and we keep them near our homes in the sheds prepared for them because they are helpful to us and we get food items from them. So these are the domestic animals, as you all can see here. There's a cow here and in the other shed there's horse. These two are in the shed Apart from the horse and the cow, there are few more domestic animals which we have. You all can see the chart. Domestic animals are those animals which are helpful to us. We have horse in the first picture, and then we have goat, donkey, there's a camel, sheep, buffalo, pig, cow, ox. So these domestic animals are useful to us, like we get wool from sheep, we get milk from cow, and then we get eggs from hens. So these are few domestic animals apart from what we have seen in the shed. And here you all can see there are few other animals here. There's a rabbit sitting here, and then there is a cat, there's a dog, small doggy here. These are the animals which we love them, so we keep them as our pet. So dog, cat, and then rabbit. These are few pet animals. Now this is a model of all the wild animals, water animals, and you have seen the tree with the birds, and then domestic animals. Apart from this, there are also few animals which is called as insects. Insects are very small. There are few pictures of the insects here, as you all can see. There's a butterfly, housefly, you can see here. There's a cockroach. You can see this. So these are few insects. So kids, as you all have seen, this was the small model of the different animals what we have, and we have also seen the chart of the animals which were not in the model. So I hope you all understood the difference among the different type of animals which we have. So we will meet in the next video with the next interesting topic. Until then, you all take care, stay safe.